Who's in my room?
Me.
Oh, who's me?
Sam.
Oh, Sam. Okay. Okay.
Wake up! You slept through like Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. It's Wednesday night.
Okay. I'll get up then. I'll get up, and then we can go do something. Okay. Okay. We'll go do something now. Okay. All right. We're gonna do something. Let's put my sunglasses on here. My shoes. We'll put them on. Okay. All right. Let's go do something. My hat.
Andrew, we're going to the water park. I think you need your swim trunks.
All right. Oh God. This is a disaster. Okay. I need to put my makeup on. Okay. Okay. This way.
The door. Andrew, you might want to fix your dog tag. It's kind of crooked there. No.
Okay.
Lost the door handle.
Oh God.
Oh God, I'm late.
Oh God.
No. I'm late. Oh God. Okay.
Oh Lord.
I'm late. Oh, I gotta go to a meeting. I gotta get to a meeting. Oh my God. I'm late.
Oh God. Oh jeez.